Hey lovely souls, welcome back to my channel, Dimma Classic TV. How you all doing? How's your day going and how did your day go depending where you are? So from the title you already know what this video is all about. Today we'll be talking about aloe vera and its benefits. Aloe vera helps in heartburn relief, the GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease. It is a digestive disorder that often results in heartburn. A 2010 review suggested that consuming 1 to 3 ounces of aloe vera gel at mealtime could reduce the severity of GERD. It may also ease the digestive-related problems. Aloe vera plays a very vital role in skin and beauty care. You can use aloe vera to keep your skin clear and hydrated. It is an effective face moisturizer and pain reliever. It is also used for the treatment of sunburn, and it can also be used as an aftershave care. It can be used as body lotion and moisturizer. Benefits for your skin: moisturizes dry skin, soothes irritated skin, reduces signs of aging, fights acne and blemishes. Aloe vera is rich in moisturizing properties. It helps in removing dead cells. Aloe vera can block dental plaque. It can also provide relief if you're having bleeding or swollen gums. So it's advisable you use products that contains aloe vera for your teeth. You can also make one for yourself at home using the home remedy, water, aloe vera and baking soda. Aloe vera is also good for mouthwash. Yes. Aloe vera helps in keeping farm produce fresh. Using aloe vera gel to coat produce makes it stay fresh. It can block the growth of many types of harmful bacteria on your fruits and vegetables. Aloe vera aids in lowering your blood sugar. Ingesting 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice per day can cause blood sugar levels to fall in people with type 2 diabetes. For people with diabetes, taking glucose lowering medications should use caution when consuming aloe vera. The juice, along with diabetes medication, could possibly lower your glucose counts to dangerous levels, so please apply caution while taking it. Aloe vera is also used for the treatment of burn scars and injuries on your skin. So we've come to the end of this video. This is some of the benefits of aloe vera. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. Bye.